Microvellum has really helped develop the client's understanding of what their space will result in the end. When the client comes in, we try to get to know them, how they function, what their preferences are. We're using Microvellum as a sales tool. So we draw the cabinetry, we have it 3D rendered, and my sales staff are able to show clients 3Ds of all their cabinetry in complete form. And we're able to give them a 3D rendering of the final product. Clients don't give you those answers of after it's installed, they're like, oh, I didn't know it was going to look like this. With the beautiful 3D renderings we're able to create, the kitchen comes out exactly the way, the clients envision it, from design all the way through fabrication to installation. My sales approach with Microvellum, being able to do full 3Ds, has immensely improved all applications of not just the sales department and being able to show those 3Ds, but from that file moving into the CAD detailing department, we're able to site measure, verify site measures, and we're able to rapidly put those cabinets into production, has immensely decreased production times.
The beauty of Microvellum is that you can actually see what's going to be built. You can see all the machining. Everything that is on your computer is going to be done in the factory. So if you can catch a lot of mistakes, you can see if it fits properly. I think it's a great tool in regards to that.
Where would QTK be today without Microvellum? That's an impossible question for me to answer.